I loosened all these cables down here to take the tension off that one way up there. I need to climb up and disconnect it. I just climbed most of the way up, and it gets pretty wobbly up there, like this way. And the problem is the main cable, well, the only cable that keeps this from falling this way is the one I'm taking off. So that has to be loose, which means I have to loosen the back cables, which are the ones that keep it from going that way. So it's just totally relying on the strength of the pole, right? And the higher you get, the more wobbly it gets. So, you know, I got somewhere up there. So hopefully you can see I decided to climb up as far as I could reasonably go before it gets too wobbly. Attach a rope there, and then tighten these back cables. Not super much, but enough that it'll catch it if it starts falling anyway. This is a little bit above the, well, this is only a little bit of a stupid thing to do up here, height. You know, it's like high enough that if I fall, I'm in trouble. And I'm sure there was a time when I would have just been like, I'm just gonna go do it. Climb up, do the thing, climb down. But you know, I have kids and they rely on me to not get hurt or dead. Even if I just get hurt, I cannot let anything happen to me. So I've got a rope and a carabiner so I can attach myself to the thing as I'm going up. It's not gonna fall anywhere. All right, extra safety procedures, let's go. All right, let's take my vice grips, just attach those to my shorts. See, part of my concern here is also, this is a pretty old boat, and these are what I'm putting most of my weight on. You can see how wobbly that one is. Some of them seem in there, most of them seem in there pretty good. But you know, I don't know when one's just gonna snap off and all right. I think I've taken all reasonable safety precautions. Now I just need this to work. Well, I need this and this. I need to stay super calm, not make a mistake. Maybe I should just go into robot mode. All right, robot mode coming up. Oh, and I apologize for not getting this on camera. I just really want to concentrate on what I'm doing, not paying attention to a camera. All right, let's test this. I can attach this at the beginning, no problem. Part way up, I need to be on the thing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hold on, disconnect, go around the thing, over, reconnect. That arm should hold me on, and oh no! Okay. Piece of cake. All right, which one's first? Oh, the whole time I was up there, I was just thinking, do not drop the pliers. I do have a rope over there, making sure it falls that way and not that way. Ah, beauty! Whew. Looks like my little reinforcements worked, although there was a piece of rubber on top of here. Must be in the water. Alright. Wonder how heavy that thing is. Ah, it's not so bad. Yeah, I can definitely move that. I think this calls for snack time. Oh, I did move my solar boat out of the way just in case. Hey, what'd you guys catch in the trap?
Barracuda.
A barracuda? Are we gonna eat them?
Yeah.
Alright.
You look so good.
Well, that recovery is going surprisingly smoothly. I just tried pulling it out by hand, and yeah, it's mostly out. I can do this. Yeah. Now I need the bottom to empty out of water. I hope there's some kind of hole at the top of the mast. Didn't actually check that before. Well, dang, I ain't no expert or nothing, but I think you got one of your sailing sticks there at the wrong angle. That's not a sailing stick. That's a piece of a robot.